Hey everybody, this is Paul with Jackson Computer Consulting. I'm going to show you how to remove some programs from your startup list. And just the startup programs or would start up whenever you first turn your computer on. A lot of them you'll notice are down here in your system tray. Windows 7, you have to press this arrow and you'll see everything that starts up with Windows. It's really simple to do. All you're going to have to do is click your start button and in your search bar right here, type in msconfig and it will find it here, you see, and you can either click that or press enter. You'll then be presented with the system configuration window. Here you have various different options. We're obviously going to take a look at the startup tab. Now you see here, this is the list of everything that starts up whenever you turn the computer on. It's listed by name, manufacturer of the software, the command it actually runs, and the location. Now normally what I do is the first thing I notice offhand is I'll look through the manufacturer's list and I'll see if there's anything that says unknown or blank. You see right now I don't have any on my computer. The next thing I'll look for is any programs that I might not want to start up. Let's say Skype or iTunes. You can see a couple I have turned off right now. Cyberlink Power DVD. What this is it's a DVD program. I really have no reason for that to start up when I turn my computer on. Some camera software. This here is also for the camera. Another thing you might want to look for is things you might have never heard of before, such as this one here. I turned this one off because I never heard of this one here. One thing you will want to keep in mind, actually I'm going to turn off iTunes. I have no reason for that to start when I turn my computer on. One thing you want to keep in mind is you do not want to remove things such as Intel. Those are things that your computer needs normally. HP, these are for your printer. You may not necessarily really need these to start up. Especially this one here. It says if you expand this window here, this is for the software update. I really don't need that to start up. Antivirus you do not want to turn off. You might have Avast, you might have AVG. Whatever kind of software you have for antivirus, you want to make sure that stays on. And you want to make sure anything that's Adobe stays on. You can turn off the updater if you like, but Adobe is a safe program. HP is safe for your printer. Intel is safe. I have a Lenovo computer, so I'm going to leave these on. Like I said, if you want to leave Apple iTunes and that kind of thing on, you can. But you really don't need those to start up because all it does is slows your computer when you turn it on. And everything here also after it starts up, it also stays running in the background, so it can hinder your performance a little further just because it's always running in the background. So I like to turn all of those off that you don't need. And then next all you're going to have to do is just hit OK. And then it's going to make you restart your computer. I always check this box as well so it doesn't show you this message again. So then you just click restart. And I'm not going to restart right now, but after it restarts you might be presented with another window, another system configuration window, and all you're going to have to do is just close that window, and there's nothing more to it. I hope this helps you speed up your startup.